So make sure you are clicking on the current year tax return option with the home icon at the top left of the screen, then hit tax profile button below it. After that, you wanna hit the tax profile option over here. On this page, you can actually add many types of slips or forms, and then to add self-employment, you wanna scroll down, then do a check mark on the self-employment income option, and hit the continue button. You may have to answer some questions again regarding your taxes info, and until you reach this page again, your home page, you will see this self-employment option just appear, and you wanna click on it, and then hit self-employment again, and you may start entering your self-employment or your business by clicking on this button. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I'll try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.